This is the all-new BYD Formula X, a bold electric roadster developed under its Fang Cheng Bao sub-brand. The two-seater convertible represents a clear move away from the sub-brand's earlier focus on SUVs, entering into the high-performance segment, positioning itself as a halo model designed to showcase BYD's capabilities in design and engineering. The Formula X features a low, aggressive stance with a carbon fiber body and multiple aerodynamic elements, including large air vents inspired from Formula One and an active rear spoiler. Its design is based on the earlier Super 9 concept, but adapted toward a more production-ready form. Details such as scissor-style doors and a sharply sculpted exterior give it the look of a modern electric supercar. Technical specifications have not been fully confirmed, but reports suggest the Formula X could produce around 1,000 horsepower using a tri-motor all-wheel drive system. That would place it in competition with emerging electric performance models like the MG Cyberster, although the BYD appears more extreme in both design and intent. The Formula X is expected to reach production in 2027, though availability details are still unclear. As a whole, the model highlights BYD's push into higher-end performance vehicles and its effort to expand beyond mainstream electric cars. Guys, what do you think about the new supercar? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.